set up cloud rendering in Revit, simply navigate to your 3D view tab and set up a camera in the relevant space. A 3D view will automatically open and you can then adjust the height of the camera and the appearance of the visual 3D. Once you're happy with how the 3D appears, you can then navigate to cloud rendering under the view tab. Render in the cloud, where you'll be asked a number of steps. You then select the 3D view that you want to send, either single, multiple or all 3D views, and then you can select the output type, which I would change to still image, change the render quality to final, up the megapixels, and then hit render. After a few minutes you'll receive a notification within Revit, and you'll also receive an email too. You can then click on the link and this will bring you to your cloud renderings. You will log in with your Autodesk ID, or if you're already logged in, you can open the rendering directly. And then you have a series of options where you're presented with the completed image. You can either re-render this as a panorama, you can re-render it as a stereo VR goggles panorama, solar analysis, a luminous analysis, a turntable 3D, download, or you can delete the image.